See what?
You've seen this laser bullet yet? It's a laser bullet that goes inside your gun like a bore sight.
Oh yeah.
But it don't stay on all the time. It only comes on when you fire it. It hits that rubber pad like that.
Okay.
Rubber pad is protecting my gun, so I am not dry firing it, but I do get a laser bullet coming out of my Beretta now. You're going to download our app on your phone. It's free. It's going to use your camera to look at our target. You're going to shoot the target.
10.
Cool. I got a shooting range at home. You gonna try?
More download it on my phone, huh?
Oh, when you take that.
Not that phone.
But what's nice about these is
I see that.
you get a light, right?
Yeah.
So me and my wife don't even use the phone. We spend a lot of time in hotel rooms. So I'll say like, hey honey, I'm gonna shoot the M, okay?
Yeah.
Since I was a little girl, I'm gonna shoot the C.
Yeah.
We can just shoot random stuff in the
Yeah.
room and you can see if you're actually shooting.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, working on
That'd be a good practice gun, wouldn't it?
Well, it goes in your gun, sir.
Huh?
The bullet goes in your gun.
Yeah, I know, but what I'm saying, that'd be a good practice.
Oh,
a
yeah.
good practice. You know.
Yep, just to shoot around and
Yeah.
shoot stuff. Like the bullets are only $60.
Huh.
$60 and you can be shooting the fly, Biden when it comes on TV, whatever you want to do. That's worth the $60 right there.
Would be.
Makes the State of the Union so much more fun. No, but you can just sit around the house, and even if you get like, so if it's a good shot, it's
Yeah.
good control, it's a dot. You see that? But if I yank it, look, I can even see the smear
Yeah.
in the shot. So it's really helpful as far as teaching you all that kind of stuff. A lot of fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you seen one of these yet, sir?
I have.
Right.
Sure.
It's a laser bullet, goes inside the gun, when you pull the trigger, turn the light on real quick, that patch will attack my gun, and I'm not dry firing it. Then you're just gonna come over here and shoot at the target, either that one or that one, it doesn't matter which one. And then it actually records and shows exactly where you struck the target. Go ahead and pull this trigger back and try it. Nice. That way you're learning the hand-eye wrist coordination without wasting your hand.
I've been thinking about it because
And here's the thing too, is when you go to the range, say you got all the ammo, right? It's a waste of time because you're emptying this clip, right?
Right.
You're making all these bad shots. This way, I'm taking one shot. Oh, I was left.
Right.
So I'm making an instant adjustment. Teaching
and
myself.
that's like where I was right, way left. And it's like, okay, we gotta go a little bit more.
You
Yeah.
see, that's how it helps you. If we say give us 15 days, if you're not shooting better in 15 days, we'll buy it back.
Really?
Yeah, the whole thing is only $100 to start with.
I get you.
Everything but the gun and the phone. We'll give you the stand that holds the phone. We're going to give you the target stand, the bullet that goes in the gun, and the app to download on your device. Everything you need. These are the calibers it comes in. So you tell me which one you want. You get one for the 100. Extra ones are $60 a piece. But they go for 100,000 shots, so they're going to last you for
9.
years and years to come. You would just
I
change
would
it.
10.
do the off for the rest of my life and still buy 9.
You will.
10.
You will. No, you will get better. Trust me. You will definitely get. It took me 5 days. I'll tell you my little story. This gun right here, you see, we ride to the people. I had this train out here. They were yanking people out of cars 2 years ago, right? I never even owned a gun until that point. We live in Colorado. They did it in Denver. They actually almost killed somebody in Denver, right? In the road. So I said, honey, it's time to buy a gun. We're not going to get yanked out of the car. I couldn't shoot the broadside of a barn with this damn thing, right? I didn't know how none of this works. We were going to the range, $80, $100 every time we're going to the range. Not getting any better after months and months. I did not feel any better. So, you know, Facebook, they always listen in there, right? And they're like, oh, you suck. So these guys start advertising, hey, you suck, right?
Right.
So I'm like, all right, honey, let's get it. I bought it in 5 days. I figured this out in 5 days.
Right.
I spent 8 months and thousands of dollars and I had to figure it out. So I am 100% believing in this system. That's why I put my job in summer. Because it literally changed my life so much. Best $100
10.
you will ever spend. Simple things.
That's what I've been saying. Said it's, you know, it's not the easiest to get to the range press here. Plus it's expensive. Where this comes with, it doesn't come with the phone. That's this phone. But the stand for your phone, the target in the stand, the app that you download to your phone, and then whatever caliber you.
And it goes inside your gun like a bore sight. When you pull the trigger, you get a little laser light coming out of it. That's protecting your gun. Come over here.
So you wouldn't be using live rounds.
Take a shot at that paper target stand, not the phone, the paper target.
7,
You saw the light hit it, but it also records and tells you where you hit it. Now you're practicing at home.
Oh, that was actually.
You're getting better with your weapon at home.
No, that was.
And my eyes and my brain aren't working together very good.
5,
I'm up too high.
Anytime you hit the target,
It's still gonna put somebody down.
if you hit that paper, you're getting the guy in the torso. You don't got to hit him in the eye.
Yeah. Although that was pretty cool. Oh my God.
The whole thing is only $100. Get you everything you need to get you, except for the gun and the phone license, the stand for the phone, the bullet that goes in the gun, the app to put on your phone, target stand, ball for $100.
Okay.
You spend that every time you shoot.
Oh,
Every time. And this will go for 100,000 shots.
And not getting any better because you don't know.
You know just as well as I do. When you leave the range, you are not any more confident than when you went there. This will make you 100 yards, right? All the way on the other side of the room. And if you can actually reach the target,
8, 8, 9, 9,
yeah. And when you're all done, it will show you the whole grouping. It shows you one shot at a time, so you can make those adjustments. That's why we do that. But when you're all done in a boom, it'll show you.
so it goes by the caliber of the gun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So for the $100, you get one caliber, and you get to tell me which one you want. But let's say you got a 40 and a 357. The extra ones are only $60 a piece, so they're pretty reasonable as far as that goes, because you can't even get 100 bullets for $60. Hardly, you know.
Well,
10,
I mean,
well, definitely.
we have both of these,
that
and
and
then we have that one.
Fun.
Huh?
9 and 223 is our bestseller, yeah.
I got that, and then I got a 45.
I always say your personal carry, the one that you're going to go to for
9.
your defense, is the one I would get.
I don't know. I've not shot one of my guns.
Not one. You did pretty good for not shooting.
Well, that's what I was saying.
That was pretty good. You were born natural.
10,
Well, and with long COVID, my eyes and my brain aren't working very well together either. So
You need to practice that. Yeah.
I need some of that eye motivation.
So you carry the 45 ACP more?
She would probably carry the 9 more than the 45. The 45 is pretty good size for everything.
I probably would not carry the
No.
or
but
shoot it very often, just because.
I've been watching it on the internet. I've just been kind of.
But I would think the 9 millimeter would be the most
Mine.
beneficial for both of us.
Yes,
This would just be the sight, sight and just
but you've got a sight. Well, you don't have a sight on there yet,
Well, I
but
mean-
you have one that you can put on.
yeah.
6,
Instead of doing the live rounds.
Yeah, but
This young man has been telling us all about it.
Perfect. Did you guys get a chance to try it out?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
And to make sure, if you have any questions, I'm here to help.
that ain't bad
So
for
do
you.
you want to just do the handguns?
Hand-eye-wrist coordination.
The
Yeah.
two handguns?
Yeah.
10,
And then you can always get that in a later date if you want.
Okay. I would like to shoot the 45.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You guys want to get one?
Yeah, I think we're going to do the 9 and the 45.
Right over here.
Anybody in your family currently or in the past firemen, It does.
Like that.
And now, we do. We got one. So there's your 9.
9,
They are. The rifles
8,
give them feedback. Yeah. Slingshot. So it doesn't fall.
9, 7, 9,
And how would you like your receipts? Like,
9, 8, 7,
it's just Thanks, guys.
You guys enjoy.
Now, is it actually when you take it to the range though, or is it transfers
Flawlessly over. Yeah, what we found is you'll go to the range now and like, oh yeah, you should go because I hate wasting ammo. I love to shoot real ammo.
That's my thing. That's why I was looking.
See, she said rifle cows. I'm like, 270? Yeah, no.
No.
What did you buy?
It costs me $140.
What did you buy?
He's got this new laser explode. Come here, take a shot, Mom.
Take a shot. Shoot the paper target right here on the wall. Take a shot.
The paper one standing up.
4,
You see right there, it actually recorded exactly where you shot it. So he got us a bullet that actually goes in his gun. Right? So he's going to be able to do this at home. Pull that back with the thumb. That's a long draw on that Beretta. And we all suck without practice, okay? Everybody that picks up a gun sucks.
4,
You see, that's why you got practice. So make sure you
Right?
There
9.
you go. He was almost dead on. Man. That was almost a bullseye.
That's a lot better.
Yeah, see, that practice helps.
I almost bullseye. I didn't do that.
No, that was just.
The table, yeah, the movement.
10,
Tell me why not.
10, 9,
Don't worry.
Well, these last 100,000 shots, though.
10,
Do you get it? We don't need to.
Yeah, so I'll go buy a water or coffee,
right.
and then see if they can give me 5.
9, 10, 10, 10, 8, 8,
See this new laser bullet yet? Actually goes inside your gun, kind of like a war sight. It only comes out when you now it turns my Beretta into a laser gun. Download our free app either on a phone or a tablet. It's going to use the camera on that system to look at our target and shoot the target.
8,
And it tells you where you shot it at. This way. You want to try it?
Eight, 9, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 9, 9,
Yeah, I got it because my boss